Hello guys, welcome to my channel Blender Bliss. In this video we are going to see how to connect a camera to the axis lens and to make the camera to rotate 360 degree around the object. So I will showcase what are all the objects first I have in my workspace. Here first I have on camera, which is the default one, and I have a cube and I have a light system. In this tutorial, the light is not much required. We'll see what to do in this. So before going to the video, I'll switch to the camera view. Yes. So this is the camera view for this current object, which is in cube. For a better understanding, I'll change it to I'll select this camera and I'll change from perspective to orthographic. Yeah. So this will make the cube to be looks even more sharper. So I wanted to make a keyframe to create an animation where the camera should be rotates around this object in 360 degree, but the view of the camera should be always towards the object. So this is what we are going to do now. So for that I need an axis line. I'm going to create an axis line. I'm going to the command add command. From that I'm getting an empty. From that I'm getting a plain axis. So a plain axis has been inserted inside this. As of now, let me hide this cube. So here we can able to see the plane axis which is inserted here, and to make it to be rotate, I'll just set a total keyframes as 100. So my total keyframes will be set between the range of 1 to 100. Now I'm going to give a keyframe rotation for this particular axis lines. So I'm switching to this geometry mode. Yeah. So for the first keyframe in Z towards the Z direction, I need this should be in the angle of 0. Next keyframe I'm setting to 25, and the keyframe angle of Z direction should be equals to 90 degree, and I'll lock that keyframe. Then I'm switching to the keyframe 50. Here the value should be 180 degree, and I select the key. Next keyframe is for 75. I will lock the key. Angle is to 70 degree, and I'll lock the key. The last frame was for 100, and the angle value is 360. I'll lock the key. So let's verify once again. For 1, angle is 0. For 25, angle is 90. For 50, angle is 180 degree. And for 75, angle is 270. And for 100, it comes to 360 degree. Yeah. So I will just play this animation keyframe. You can able to see that this particular axis is rotating. Yeah. So we can able to see that the axis lines are rotating as per the keyframes which we have entered. Now the thing is how to link the axis lines to this camera. So for that I'm selecting in this we have two different options. One is the shortcut where we can select both and click on Control P And to select the key transform, I'll show how to do this. I'm selecting the key access lines first, and I'm selecting the camera. Now press Control P. It will showcase a button where to keep object, object keep transform, object without inverse. In this, we need to select to keep transform. But in this case, there are some options that the camera will be as a parent and the access lines become will be as a children. So the when the camera is being static, the access lines also will get static. But for us, access line should be as a parent and the camera should be as a children. So I'll just show how to make in a normal method. Select only the camera from the model, switch to geometry, and for the relations tab, in relations tab, there will be a parent. Camera will be as a children, and we are going to assign parent for this camera. That I need to select as empty. So now the empty will be the access lines will be as a parent, camera will be as a children. So wherever the access lines rotate, the camera also keeps on rotate towards. This is not only for the rotation, even for the linear movements. So let me go to the camera view and I'll play the animation. You can able to see that the entire workspace is rotating, but the camera is fixed towards the point of plane axis. So for better understanding, I'm enabling the cube and I will play the animation keyframes where you can easily able to see how the cube is rotating. So yeah, so this is the method of how we are going to connect the access lines and the cameras to get together and providing keyframes to the access line. So based on the keyframes, whenever the access lines rotates, the camera view also rotates around the object. So this is the method how to get connect in this. In the end of this video, I will add another video which is I did the same operation using for a Rubik's cube, and it will show the animations how the um, cubes of Rubik cube is going to get assembled when the camera is rotating towards all over the Rubik's cube in 360 degree. So guys, if you like this video, please give a like, comment, and please enter your comments in this video. Whatever the doubts or questions you have regarding this, you can comment on that. I will give a reply. And if you like this channel, kindly please subscribe and support me. Your each and every subscribers will be very helpful and so motivating for me to do more videos on Blender. So we'll learn together and we'll grow together. Thank you.